Tinatun na ang umibig sa sariling tugtugin o himig. Sa isang makatay maririnig mga tinig nagsasabi. Kay ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika, ito ay ating sariling atin, at sa habang buhay awitin natin. Ating musika, ating musika, kay ganda. Kay ganda ng ating musika, kay ganda ng ating musika, ito ay atin, sariling atin. Kay ganda ng ating musika. Ang bayan kong Pilipinas, lupain ng ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig na sa kanyang palad, nag-alay na ganda't dilag, at sa kanyang yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, binihag ka, nasadlak sa dusa. Ibon mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita, aking adhika, makita kang sakdal laya. Ibon mang may layang lumipad, kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sakdal dilag, ang di magnasang makaalpas. Pilipinas kong minumutya, pugad ng luha at dalita, aking adhika, makita kang sakdal laya.
Okay, pag-usapan natin, Ami, this morning, ang isang background ng Philippine Independence Day. Dahil sa mga kababayan natin na
Masyadong busy
at napakatagal na dito sa Korea, hindi na naalala yung history
nga.
ng Pilipinas katulad sa akin. So,
Okay.
this morning,
This is about the right time to reminiscent.
recall.
nga
Okay, so in 1896, the Philippine Revolution began. And December 1897, the Spanish government and the revolutionaries signed a truce, the Pact of Biak na Batu, requiring that the Spanish pay the revolutionaries 800,000 pesos and that Aguinaldo and other leaders go into exile in Hong Kong. In April 1898, at the outbreak of the Spanish-American War, Commodore George Dewey aboard the USS Olympia sailed from Hong Kong to Manila Bay, leading the Asiatic Squadron of the U.S. Navy. On May 1, 1898, the United States defeated the Spanish in the Battle of Manila Bay. Emilio Aguinaldo decided to return to the Philippines to help American forces defeat the Spaniards. The U.S. Navy agreed to transport him back aboard the USS McCulloch, and on May 19, he arrived in Cavite. Ami?
Yeah. Yung Independence Day nga ng Pilipinas, it's a national holiday commemorating the Philippines' declaration of independence from Spanish colonial rule. Ito nga yung araw na kung saan kinikilala natin ang ating kasarinlan or Araw ng Kalayaan in Tagalog. Sa wikang English is a Day of Freedom. Ang original Independence Day was held in 1898 in present-day sa Kawit, Cavite, kung saan si President Emilio Aguinaldo ang nag-declare nito in 1898. At independence was proclaimed ng June 12 between 4 and 5 in the afternoon. Of course, sa Kawit, Cavite. Yun yung ancestral home ni General Emilio Aguinaldo. Mga 30 kilometers ito from south of Manila. And yun nga, dahil na-colonize tayo ng Spanish, at ito nga yung the Spanish government didn't want to recognize their independence. So, they went to give the Philippines to the United States after the Spanish-American War as part of the peace treaty. So, after ng war ng Philippines, dito nga yung dumating yung United States. Independence Day was granted to the Philippines ng 4th of July, 1946. So, sineselebrate natin, of course, ang Philippine Independence Day every 12th of June. And being a national holiday, all workers, including government staff, are entitled to have the day off, of course. Most people celebrate the day with family and friends, either sa bahay or sa public areas such as parks and shopping malls. And meron ding parade na nagaganap or ginaganap sa Manila dun sa official celebrations ng lugar na kung saan ito nga ay sineselebrate. The parade showcases sa Philippines ay inaatinan ng maraming mga banyagang lahi. At of course, dito nga rin, sad to say, dahil sa summers, na-postpone yung ating Independence Day celebration na supposed to be dapat sa Ansan Gymnasium.
Last 14.
Last Friday, June 12.